Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we show you the best ways to make money online. In today's video, we're talking all about how to monetize your Facebook account and turn your social media presence into a reliable income stream. If you've ever wondered how people earn from Facebook pages, groups, and profiles, you're in the right place. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover. 1. Building a solid Facebook presence. 2. Exploring the monetization tools Facebook offers. 3. Strategies for selling products, services, and more. 4. Leveraging brand deals and ad breaks for extra revenue. Whether you're new to Facebook or already have a page with thousands of followers, stick around, there's something for everyone. Before we dive deeper, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest money-making tips. Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms in the world, which means massive potential for reaching an audience and earning income. But to get started, you need to understand the basics of how Facebook monetization works. Generally, there are 4 major ways people make money on Facebook. 1. Ad revenue, using Facebook ad breaks in your videos. 2. Brand partnerships, working with companies to promote their products. 3. Selling products or services, setting up a store or directing traffic to an external e-commerce platform. 4. Fan support and memberships, collecting support through tools like fan subscriptions or membership groups. Throughout this video, we'll dive into each of these methods. Ready to learn how to turn your Facebook page into a money-making machine? Let's go. If you're pumped to start earning on Facebook, subscribe right now. There's more good stuff coming up. Monetizing any platform starts with building an engaged community. Here's how to grow your audience on Facebook. 1. Consistent content. Post regularly, at least once a day or a few times a week. 2. Quality over quantity. Share valuable, entertaining, or insightful posts that resonate with your niche. 3. Interact with followers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage user-generated content. 4. Use Facebook groups. Engage in relevant groups to position yourself as an authority and draw people to your page. Remember, the more engaged your audience, the more likely they'll click your links, watch your videos, and support your monetization efforts. Like what you're hearing? Subscribe now and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to grow your Facebook audience. Next, let's make sure you're set up for success on Facebook. You can monetize either through 1. A Facebook page, ideal for businesses, public figures, or brands. 2. A professional mode profile. Facebook recently introduced this feature so creators can get insights and monetization tools on their personal profiles. Steps to create or switch. Create a page under the right category, e.g., brand, public figure, or business. Optimize your bio and cover photo with clear branding and a professional look. Enable professional mode on your personal profile if you want to keep your audience building in one place. Setting things up properly ensures you have access to all of Facebook's monetization tools down the line. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more step-by-step tutorials on maximizing your social media earnings. Now, let's talk about the Facebook monetization tools you can unlock once you meet the eligibility criteria, like follower counts, watch hours, etc. 1. Ad breaks. Earn money by placing short ads in your video content. 2. Stars and fan subscriptions. Viewers can send you digital gifts, stars, or become paid subscribers for exclusive content. 3. Brand Collabs Manager. Connects you with brands looking for influencers in your niche. 4. In-stream ads, similar to ad breaks but can appear before, during, or after your video. Make sure to check Facebook's monetization eligibility standards to see which features you qualify for. Ready to unlock these tools? Subscribe to stay in the loop on Facebook's latest updates and features. If you have your own products or services, Facebook can be a powerful sales channel. Here are some ways to leverage it. Facebook Shops and Marketplace. Set up an integrated shop on your page or list items on Marketplace for direct sales. Promote your website or e-commerce store. Drive traffic to an external site where you offer coaching, digital products, or physical goods. Live stream selling. Host live sessions where you showcase products, take questions, and offer exclusive discounts to viewers. Combining these methods with engaging content can boost your brand visibility and revenue potential significantly. If you're excited to sell your products on Facebook, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth e-commerce tutorials. Collaborating with brands is another lucrative way to monetize your Facebook presence. Here's how to do it. 1. Establish a clear niche. Brands want influencers who cater to a specific audience: fitness, tech, beauty, etc. 2. Use Brand Collabs Manager. This Facebook tool connects you with potential sponsors. 3. Negotiate fair rates. Decide on your pricing model, whether it's a flat fee, affiliate link, or commission-based. 4. Stay authentic. Only partner with brands that align with your values and your audience's interests. By producing quality branded content, you can earn a steady income while keeping your audience engaged. Want to learn how to land big brand deals? Subscribe and stay tuned for more insider tips on social media sponsorships. For creators focusing on video content, Facebook ad breaks and in-stream ads can be a game changer. Here's what you need to know. Eligibility requirements. Typically, you need at least 10,000 followers and 600,000 total watch minutes in the last 60 days. Varies by region. Ad placement. Ads can appear before, during, or after your videos. Content length. Longer videos, 3 minutes or more, are usually needed to qualify for in-stream ads. Revenue sharing. Facebook shares a percentage of the ad revenue with you, depending on watch time and ad engagement. If you produce engaging, longer-form videos, this monetization method can yield consistent income. Are you ready to take advantage of Facebook video ads? Subscribe now for more tips on producing content that keeps viewers watching. There are even more ways to make money on Facebook. 1. Affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links to products or services relevant to your niche. Earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. 2. Exclusive groups. Create paid membership groups where you offer premium content, tutorials, or mentorship. 3. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or online courses directly through your page. 4. Cross-promotion. Collaborate with other Facebook pages or creators to expand your audience and drive sales. Get creative. Facebook is a versatile platform that supports a wide range of business models. If these strategies inspire you, subscribe to our channel for more ideas on how to monetize your social media presence. To wrap it all up, Facebook monetization is all about building an engaged audience, leveraging the right tools, ad breaks, brand collabs, shops, providing consistent, high-quality content, exploring multiple revenue streams, services, products, brand deals, etc. The potential is huge, but it takes dedication and creativity to truly stand out. Remember, start by focusing on delivering value to your audience. Once you build trust, monetization becomes much easier. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Good luck on your journey to monetizing your Facebook account, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more content on social media monetization, online business, and financial freedom tips.